Why have you chosen to be poor when there is much money in the world? How to make money. Awaken the Millionaire Within. Episode 4. Of course, there is plenty of money in this world. It is just that you have been looking in wrong directions, or simply you've been doing things that are wrong. What people mean when they declare that there is no money is that there is no money in their pockets. But please, do me a favor. Don't include all of us. Some of us have it and plenty of it too. And guess what? We earned it legitimately in this same world. So, what on earth are you talking about that there is no money? That is it for today. Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and enable the notification bell so that you won't miss another episode. See you tomorrow and have a nice time.